guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to do another Princess Polly try on haul. I'm loving this setup recently, so I'm just going to try on a bunch of clothes. They've also given me a 20% off discount code, which is Jazz20 to save online. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. First thing I'm wearing is this grey cropped jumper with like the frilly sleeves. I'm so obsessed with this jumper. I think I'm going to wear it to breakfast this morning. So yeah, it just ties up all the way at the back and then ties in a little bow at the front on the side here. I love the sleeves. I just think they're super flattering. And then I paired it with some of their A brand jeans. So they're basically just like high-waisted, skinny leg jeans, and I paired it with this belt. And yeah, these jeans are so comfortable. I got a size 11 in these, and they fit pretty snug, like they don't feel like too tight or anything like that. But that's what they look like from the back. So yeah, this is the first outfit. While I'm here, I may as well talk about the accessories. So this is just a necklace with a rose on the end, a cross, and then just like a little choker up the top. Then I got these earrings, which came in a set. I will show you guys right now. So they came in a set of like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 different styles. So it's like diamonds, love hearts, roses, circles, and then I'm wearing the crosses to match my necklace. So while I'm here, I also picked up these New Balance pastel pink joggers. They are super cute and I can't wait to wear them to F45. I got them in the size 8. So yeah, I'm not going to try them on because they will not look good with what I'm wearing. But yeah, I picked up these. So the next top I picked up is this leopard tie-up long sleeve top. If you guys know me, you know I love leopard. It is a bit booby. I did get a size 10. I kind of wish I got a size 12. But other than that, it is literally like probably one of my favorite tops at the moment. So yeah, I just kept these jeans on with it because I find that it works really well with black, but you can obviously wear it with anything, maybe white, even brown. But yeah, love this top. So next top I picked up was this patterned crop, long sleeves. The material on this is different to the tie-up top that I tried on before. It's kind of like a really stretchy, thin material, but it's not see-through. But yeah, I'm obsessed with this top and I think it would just go with absolutely everything. In winter, I would actually probably just wear it with these black jeans. But this one is in a size 10. I feel like it is true to size. Like I don't feel like I need a size bigger or smaller. But yeah, I love this top. It's so flattering, and yeah, I just love this pattern that's going on trend at the moment. So next two pieces I picked up was this black bodysuit that just does up here, and obviously like you can do it up or leave it unbuttoned however you want, but I personally would do it all the way up to keep my titties in place. And then I also got some more A brand jeans. These ones are the same style, however these ones have a rip in the knee, which I will show you. So yeah, as I said before, these are the same style, but these ones have a rip at the knee. These jeans are so flattering. I love them and they're super comfy. These ones again are in a size 11, and yeah, I love this color. I don't really have this color in any jeans, so that's why I wanted to pick them up. I just find that most high-waisted jeans go with, you know, plain bodysuits, so I picked it up, and you can never have enough long sleeve bodysuits for winter. So yeah. By the way, this one is more of like a ribbed, thin material. However, they aren't see-through, so can't see any nips. So yeah. So because I fell in love with that grey tie-up sweater, I decided to get a white one. Of course, you can tie this up in like heaps different ways, and I'm not really sure what the proper way is, but I kind of just like tied it around like this around the back and then brought them forward and then just tied it, I don't know, like that. Or you could just like tie it at the back if you don't want any of this showing, but again, super comfortable and flattering, and of course you can wear it with anything. So yeah, I love this. I think I actually might wear this one to breakfast. so comfortable, and it's not itchy. Like, I find that some knits that you buy can be quite itchy on the skin, but it's not itchy at all. So yeah, that is the white knit. I have a few more tops and then I will move on to dresses and jumpsuits. I think I got a jumpsuit. Okay, so this next crop I got is probably one of my favorites. It's by the brand Motel Rocks. And basically it's just like a high neck. I actually don't think I have any high necked clothes in my wardrobe. It's a really pretty like blush sort of pink color. It's a thicker sort of ribbed material. It is quite tight. Like, this one's in a size large because I knew that the Motel Rock sizing was a little bit off. So I decided to get a large just to make sure. It is quite tight along my shoulder area and it is quite restricting, but I guess like when you do wear it, like it'll kind of loosen up and stuff. But I love this top. Like, I just think it's so cute, so girly, and yeah, once again, you can pretty much wear it with anything. So yeah, that is this top. I think I have one more top and then my dresses. Okay, so my last crop that I picked up was just this white one. Once again, really thin material. It is a tad see-through on the nip, so I'd probably wear like nipple covers or whatever, but I just love the shape of this and I love how it just goes down like this along the chest area. It is quite short as well, but it isn't tight or anything like that. And yeah, it's just like long sleeve. The back just looks like that. And yeah, so this next dress is a knitted dress and I just love the shape of this. Like, oh my god. And it also comes with like a little belt thing which you can tie around the waist and make a little belt if you like with it. But oh my god, I'm just like obsessed with this plunge thing that goes off the shoulder. I guess if you didn't want it off the shoulder, you can wear it more like that, but I think it's more designed to, you know, go off the shoulder. I personally will probably wear it with a belt. I actually picked up one of these transparent belts. So let's see what this looks like with it. A bit tighter. It's a bit awkward to put on. Probably because it's like plastic. Ooh. But I think it looks super cute on, especially with this dress. I think I should have put it on like a little bit tighter, but that's what the belt looks like with the dress. This dress is so comfortable and I just feel like I'm gonna get a lot of wear this winter with it. Oh yeah, by the way, the back is like that. I'm obsessed. Now I want to wear this today. Last but not least, I picked up literally the most gorgeous dress I think I've tried on in a while. I actually have an event next Sunday in Maya, so I think I might wear this. So it's basically a dress. It tapers in at the waist and it's like frilly. I love the sleeves. I think that's super flattering. Just love the plunge V-neck type look. But yeah, I just think this dress is super pretty, super girly, and yeah, oh, by the way, the back is even better. So it just does up here, and then there's a zip that just finishes there, so it's like half an open back. And yeah, I think I need to get another hole cut for this belt because it's a bit loose, but this dress is probably one of my favorites in the whole haul. So that is everything I picked up from Princess Polly. Don't forget to use my discount code, which I'll leave on the screen and of course down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.